Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Second regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 24th, 2024. And in this newspaper, we have three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain, the 4-star Sudoku and the binary. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Four of those puzzles, 4 out of 7, I will solve in the evening. But let me continue with the regular puzzle. And what is the news of today? Well, today it's a special day, war day number 700. 700 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, still continuing, and the world has been changed since the war. Yes, 4-star Sudoku number 7861. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 4 stars. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. No correction, 24 printed digits. This one, if you count all the printed digits, 29 printed digits. Should be a 0 stars, not a 4 stars puzzle, but it's indicated with the 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 2 should be there. 3, 3. We have a 9. Oh, we have a pair, the 1 and the 9 in this column, the 1 and the 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. Okay, and now, then, need a 2 here. Need a E. Come on. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 2. 2. Come on. 2. 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2, okay. How about the 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row? So the first row, only place left for the 5 should be there. Need a 5 here, okay. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. And I need a 5 there, okay. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, and 9. And look, we have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. 4 and the 9, we have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. All right. 3, 6, 7. Need a 4 here. And I need a... well, we have a pair again, I believe. Yeah, we have a pair. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 3. Could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. We have 5 in this column, so no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright, need a 9 here. Then, let me think. 3, 3, 3. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Need a 4 here. 4, need a 4. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. Okay. Come on. This is taking too long. We have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. Okay, cannot continue with 8 now. Okay, 2 missing numbers in the middle row, the 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now. In this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 4. Alright. Then. We have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, third row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, second column, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. How about 7 and the 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So we have a pair here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me see. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next on the last column. Only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Oh, I need a 6 here. Need a 7, 4, and I need a 1 here. Let me see. The 8. Need a 8 there. Okay. I want a 2. The 2 already. I want a 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. 4. Need a 4 here. And well, in this column, we need a 4. Here can be a 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here can be a 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. And here can be a 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the only place left for 4 in this column should be here. And I've eliminated there the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 and a 4, we have a 7 now in the last column. So this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 7. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row, so in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. 1 box left in this first column for number, I believe, the 6, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. Yeah, 6 is missing. Need a 6 there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 1 goes there. 1 in the third row. 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. I believe the 6 and the 9. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9. Okay, here also 6 and a 9 in the last column. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and 5 goes there, 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Can I fill this yet? No, well. 1 and a 4. Well. I need a 6 here. How about here? These two missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. And 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left, the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now. So this box should be a 4. So the last 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 9 goes there. 12 minutes. Cannot believe this. Easier than the previous Sudoku. Previous Sudoku, I need 16 minutes. This one, 12 minutes. I think the publisher has wrong indication. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. It should be a 0 stars. Told you earlier. 29 printed digits cannot be a 4 stars puzzle. Well, I'm disappointed because lately the publisher has a lot of wrong indication of the difficulty level, and this one is so easy. Yeah, it's too easy to solve, and yeah, we need hard ones. Anyway, if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.